You're on.
Okay, what I have here is a few types of packing. I'm not going to get real deep into the process. I just want to show you what a packing set consists of. First off, we have a carbon bushing here, which is used as a spacer. If you can notice, there's two holes drilled in the top of this carbon bushing. Those holes are used to help with your removal.
So it should be facing up.
So the holes should be facing up, that is correct. Your standard packing is going to be a rope, which is also called an anti-extrusion ring, and that's exactly what it's for. It's to keep the shaft clean and to prevent the sealing rings from extruding. Also, another anti-extrusion ring, as you can see, is this hardened composite ring that needs to be cracked for installation. The reason this is, the friction level on this is so low that it's good for primarily control valves and MOVs. And then you have your standard rings, or your graphoil rings, which are your sealing rings, which will go around the shaft in the stuffing box, preventing any leakage from the process in the system. Now, graphoil is not the only type of sealing rings. There may be Teflon, there may be Latigraph or Latiflon, but just for this little demonstration here, I wanted you to understand that you have wiper rings or anti-extrusion rings, sealing rings, and a carbon bushing used as a spacer in your stuffing box.
Okay, and I'll just add one more piece of the puzzle here. There's to use a football metaphor, football is all about ball control, tackling. In valve business, it's all about packing and gaskets. We can always live with a valve that's leaking by. We just can't live with a valve that's leaking out of the pipe into where the humans are. So packing and gaskets are primarily the easiest things to do, but have the most importance to what we do. So you always have to be very careful when packing a valve and making gasketed joints leak tight.